go. We've got the Hilux going at full capacity. Oh, what company is this? Ace of Spades Contracting. Well done, sir. What an absolute punter you are today. Going about 115 at 120 with a trailer. Just going for it on a Friday. Oh, look at this, into the corner. Round we go. What an absolute champ. Blind corner. Doesn't matter. He's still doing it. Slams the brakes on to get back in. Absolute champ from Ace of Spades Contracting yet again. Gold star. Oh, look at this. Only to turn right. What an absolute punter. Wow, look at that driving, boy. Look at that. That was some gold fucking star shit right there, sir. Absolute champion.